vibrant celebration turned into a nightmare as a devastating fire broke out during the joyous Deepavali Puja at Gangolli port in Byndur, Taluk, Udupi district. The festive atmosphere turned chaotic when flames erupted on a single boat, swiftly spreading to neighboring vessels, ultimately consuming 7 fishing boats in its fiery path. Witnesses recount a sudden and alarming blaze that disrupted the Diwali Puja festivities at Gangolli port, making an unexpected turn in the celebration. The alarming incident, suspected to have been triggered by fireworks, resulted in substantial financial losses and a swift response from the local fire brigade. Efforts to contain the inferno were swiftly launched as the fire brigade rushed to the scene, undertaking a daring rescue operation to curtail the flames' rampant spread. While initial reports suggest fireworks as a potential cause, the exact origin of the fire remains shrouded in uncertainty. This unforeseen catastrophe has left the community reeling and sparked concerns about the safety measures during festive events. Investigations are underway to determine the precise cause behind this tragic mishap that marred the Deepavali festivities in Udupi. For more such latest news and updates, subscribe to Daily Salar Digital.